Okay, everyone, can you all hear me again? Testing. Can I? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, let's continue with the other topics. So I just close this one, yeah. Okay, view and then a temporary table and then a table value function. Okay, so we maybe today going to cover, if possible, three. Yeah, the first is about the view. So what is a view? The view is one of the very important component in the SQL. So let me explain about the view. Okay, so the view is like this. For example, you have the table. The table is like this. Yeah, so we have the table. You have the row and column. For some reason, certain column, you do not want the other people to see that. Yeah. Okay, so for example, this one is a salary. Salary is one of the column that you don't want the many people to be able to see that. Yeah. And then this one is a department. Yeah, for example, rows. Okay. So to filter the table into the information that you really want them to see. Okay, then you create a view. Okay, yeah, this one. So the view is basically a way of accessing the table, normally for read only, and then to filter the row and the column. Okay, this is a view. Yeah. So what you can do in the view, first is filter the column, filter the row, yeah, and then protect to make it read only, and then to manipulate existing column, create the new and then create the new column. Yeah. Okay, so this is some of the function of the view. For example, like this. I have the employee table that contains email, employee ID, and then so on. Yeah, and one of them is salary. So I would like to let my HR, yeah, the staff, yeah, that manage the attendance, yeah, they can see the list of the all employee, but not the salary column. So I create a few, yeah. So in the create a few, then I can filter which column I want to keep the access, yeah. And this employee also have the department, like the department HR, sales, marketing. So I would like to give the permission for the marketing manager to see the employee only for the marketing department. Yeah. So I want to filter the row. Yeah. So you create a few. And I want to give the permissions to let the HR, yeah, to view the table, but they can only read, yeah, cannot modify. So I create a few. And then here we have the first column, yeah, the first name, last name. I want to create the full name. Yeah, okay, then I create the new column in the view. So that's the purpose of the view. So the view is normally read only. Okay, and then used to simplify the table. Okay, let's look here in the Azure Data Studio. For example, you look at the table, the employee table. So we have the employee ID. Okay, this one is last time we use as okay. For example, product table. Yeah. So the product table has the product ID, product name, and so on. Yeah. Then here we have the row GUID. Yeah. Modified date. Yeah. We don't need this one. Yeah. Maybe we only need a few columns from this. So instead of access the table directly, then you can use a view. So view is basically the intermediate object in the SQL to access the table. So like this. This is the database. Yeah. This is the database. And then we have the table. We want to protect the user from the reading the table directly. Yeah. Okay. So like this. Okay. Then we create the view. And then the view is taking from the table. And in the view here, just now, you can filter the row, filter the columns, and then do some manipulation. So we can create a multiple view. You can create the 5 view, 10 view, 100 view, as many as you want, yeah, for the different user with the different filter. Okay, so this can have the different view that actually reading or accessing the same table. What is that for the permission? Yeah, differentiating the access. Okay, so you understand what is a view? Yeah. So the view is stored under the here. Currently, I have already a view. Get all categories. Okay, I'm going to create a new one. Yeah, the syntax is a create view, then follow the name. Okay, as. Yeah, then this is a query. Okay, let's look at the here. For example, I don't use this one. Yeah, I'm going to create my own. Yeah, so we have this product. Yeah, product. So my I have a few IT guys that help me to look at the product. Yeah, but they only need the product ID and then product name and then the color, for example. Yeah. So I'm going to create a new query. Okay. So if something wrong in the view, then the table is okay. Yeah, there is nothing wrong with the table. So you have to correct on the view, unless the problem is on the table. Yeah, so you can fix that at the view level. For example, I create like this. Select this one, yeah, from the Jenny. Thank you. Product, yeah. Product ID name and the color. Yeah, select. Okay, yeah. This is the query that my employee need to be able to access. Only this, yeah. So I create the view, yeah. Create the view, and then the name is sales LT dot. Normally the view is started with a lowercase v, but it's up to you. It's not the mandatory. But to differentiate between the table and the view, the name is started with the lowercase v. Yeah. So product one, for example. Yeah. And then after that the s. Then I put here. Okay. Yeah. Create the view sales LT v product one s. Select product ID, name, color from sales LT product. Okay. So this is similar like this. Yeah. Okay. Then I just run this. Yeah. Okay. Run. Command completed successfully. So now you go back to the view. Then you will see when you refresh. Yeah. Then you see v product one. Yeah, it's already created. So next time you can call the view just like calling the table. Select star from, yeah, this one. Okay, yeah. So what happened is this is the product table. Okay, then I create the view, and in the view just now I only filter. Yeah, and then after that this is the user. This is a view product. Okay, like that. And I only filter 3 column only. Can I also filter the row? Of course, yeah, okay. So I want to filter only the row that only the product that the color is a black. Yeah, so I put here where color equal to black, like this. Yeah, okay. But because the view is already created, then I will need to update. Yeah, you don't have to. Sorry, I just put the okay. Wait, let me create in a separate command. Okay, yeah. So here I will use the update. Yeah, update the view because the view was created already. Yeah, so create update. Yeah. Sorry, update. No, no, not update view. Uh, what is command here? Create update drop update view. Wait. Give me a second. Yeah, so replace few. Okay, wait. Create a few. Updating the few. Replace few. Yeah. Create or replace few. Okay. The command is create or replace. Okay. So use this one. So meaning that if they find the few already there, then it will replace. Let's try. Cannot. No, cannot. Yeah. Replace few. I think replace few. Some of command is not the replace few. Okay, double. Yeah. I think the snow was okay. Let's try. Wait. Yeah. I think this one's because double. Okay. Okay, never mind. So what we do is like this, yeah. Recreate. Okay, so we top the view. Okay, drop. After that, create again. Okay, so now we already have put the filter only the black one. Yeah. Okay. Just now replace didn't work, right? Replace view. Okay, let's try. Cannot. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. Just use a drop and then after that recreate again. So the command to drop is this, followed by the name of the view. Drop a view and then create again. Okay, yeah. So if you need, you have to drop first. Yeah. Then create the view. Okay. So this example of the view. Okay. Let's go back to the previous sample. Yeah. You want to create the sales LT fee customer. So run. Okay. Then here we go to the view. After that, refresh. So we create the view name, fee customer address. This one. Yeah. So how to call the fee customer address? Just like calling the table. You can use in a query, select, yeah, or you can also use that in a join, just like a normal table. Okay. So select blah blah blah. After that, from, yeah, this one, from the view. Then a join with the table. So you treat the view exactly as you create a table, as a user table. Yeah. So this one is actually from the view. And you understand what is the purpose of creating view is to filter the row, filter the column, to make it read only, and for the other purposes. Yep. Okay. Okay, good. Very good. So there's a few. Yeah. Let's move to the next one. Temporary tables and variables. Okay. Just now we already discussed about the. So sometimes we need to create a temporary table, and then we do not want to store permanently in here. So I can put this hex or a pound. This hex or pound is meaning a temporary table. For example, I create a table with a single column. Okay. Yeah. But you notice that if I create this table in a single line like this, I run. Yeah. After that, I try to select. Yeah. What is the content of that table? Select star from this. Okay. This one is created in the memory. Yeah. Okay. So you see here, I have that the color empty, nothing. Yeah. So create a table, after that select empty. And now I want to insert into the colors, yeah, which is from the sales LT product. Okay, if you run this one, you will see this. There are 10 colors. Yeah, null, black, blue, gray. Yeah. Okay. So we want to insert these 10 colors into the temporary table colors. Run. Yeah. Okay. Now let you run again this. You will see the 10 already populated. Yeah. Okay, so that's the colors. After I log off, then after that I log on again, these colors will be gone. Yeah, because this hex here, the pound is only the lifetime. The lifetime of colors, yeah, only in a single session. Okay, if you log off, you log on again, then the colors will be gone. Yeah. Okay, we create a variable. Yeah, with the add color as table. This is also the same, yeah, but this one is a variable. This one is a temporary table. Yeah, the difference is a hex and the at sign. Okay, so when you run this, after that you try to select this one. Yeah, you will get an error. Yeah, because this only available when you run at the same time. Yeah, if you run like this together, yeah, then that's okay. Okay, you insert. This is also error. Yeah, so you have to run together at the same time here. Okay, then run. Okay, insert into select star. Okay, yeah, so declare select. Okay, this one is I remove first. Okay, run. Okay, yeah, but after that, yeah, when we run together this select from the colors, this still have, yeah, we still have this one, but we run this one is out of scope. Okay, must be declared. So you know when to use the hex, when you want to use this one. This one is only if you want to run in a single batch, then you can run with what is the benefit of using the add sign variable? It is very clean. After you finish using, it will be erased from the memory without you have to erase it. Yeah, but this one, it will be stay in your memory until you drop it, yeah, or until you close the session. Okay, so how to drop? For example, I don't need this temporary table name colors, yeah, but I have not log off, yeah. I still use the session. So you use this drop, yeah, then after that hex color. Okay, so this will be dropping the table. So if you run this one, still have, yeah, you see. Okay, now you drop. I think you have to put table. Oh no, that's right. Okay, so we have to specify drop table. Okay, yeah, then you now select again. So now you got an error, yeah. This is how to drop the temporary table. Drop table colors. This if you want to erase because you don't no longer need it, these colors, yeah. And then you want to erase this from the memory. Okay. So you have learned how to use either using the pound, yeah, which is the lifetime is in a one session, yeah, and then the in the one execution using the this variable, yeah, at sign. Okay. Any questions? If no, then let's continue with the TVF. What is a TVF? TVF is a table value function. Okay. What is table value function? It's a function that return the table. Okay. A function is a callable. So in the programming, the function is a callable. Function is normally fx like this. Yeah? So it has the input, it has the output. Okay. So the input is a given, then the output is will be extracted from this. Yeah? And the purpose of we create a function is to make it a simplify, yeah? Simpler, and then recallable, can be reused many times. Okay, in this example, I would like to create a function that return the city. Okay, yeah. Sorry, return this one. Select customer ID, first name, last name, based on the parameter input based on the city. For example, like this. Before function, yeah. Okay, I put here. Before using the function. Okay, so I use this. Okay, yeah. Select the customer ID, and then after that, the first name, last name, address line, city, sales provinces from the sales customer. Okay, yeah, I think I just used the complete this one. This one. Okay, so this is before the function, before use the table value function. Okay, yeah. Then you can see the city. Yeah. So if I would like to see the customer in a Seattle or Joliet, yeah, then I have to put like this. Yeah. Seattle customer. Yeah. So I put this query where city equal to Seattle. Like this, right? Okay. So this is the run. Yeah. So only Seattle. Yeah. And then for the Joliet, I also have to run the query. Yeah. Like this. Okay. So that will be a very troublesome because I have to repeat again every time. Yeah. So I create a function where taking the city as a input parameter, which is this. Okay. Create a function. Yeah. Input parameter city. Return the table this where the city equal to the input variable. So I run. So here in the programmability and then go to the function, table value function, then I can see I have created this. Yeah, the function name is a UDF. UDF is a user defined function, customer by city. If you cannot see, then you have to refresh. Yeah, customer by city. Okay, so I already have a customer by city, and then the parameter is the city ID. Yeah, the city name. So now I can call. Yeah, select star from this. Yeah, and then after that pass the parameter below. Yeah, if I want to see the customer in a Seattle, now I just like this. Yeah, okay. And then if I want to see the customer from Joliet, yeah, then I just call like this. You see? Yeah, now it's very, very simple. Yeah, because we already created this one. We can call again many times, yeah, without writing the query, something like this, that repeat again, only changing the city parameter. That's the purpose of the user defined function. And this one is a UDF that return the table. Okay, guys, any questions? So this UDF that return table can be used in the from because we treat that as a table because they return the table. Okay, let's look at the another example which we may want to. Okay, for example, I want to select the product. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, the function name. We want to create a query. Yeah, the product. Yeah, by the color. Yeah. So for example, like this. Select product ID. Yeah, comma name, comma color. Yeah, from sales LT product. Yeah, where color equal to black. Like this. Okay, run. Okay. Then if you want to see the product for the green, yeah, then you or yellow, yeah, then you put like this. Okay, yeah, or a blue, yeah, then you have to repeat again. Okay, now I'm going to create a function that simplify this query by using this color as a parameter. Yeah, so I copy this. Yeah, okay, yeah, create a function. Yeah, sales LT UDF product by color. The name. Yeah. Okay, then I use the color as the parameter, and the color is the in the what is the data type color and varchar 15, yeah, and varchar 15. Okay, returns table as a this one. Select blah 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 blah, yeah, where color equal to the color like this. Okay, so run, create a function. Okay, so now you can see in the function here, right click, refresh, yeah, then I have the UDF product by color. Okay, so this one now I can previously was like this, yeah, I replace with the select star from, yeah, this one, sales LT dot UDF product by color, yeah, then after that the blue like this, like this, yeah, okay, and then black, yeah, or white, yeah, then you just call that. Okay, so that's simplifying the query because we already defined as a function. So just call the function, and then all the column already defined. So I just use a star. And then this input parameter to specify the, okay, if I don't pass anything, then how? Okay, then if like this, uh, if the color is not, for example, I mistakenly, yeah, black dollar like this, yeah. Okay, then what happened? Yeah, the query didn't return anything. Yeah. Or if I forgot to pass anything like this. Okay, then return nothing. Yeah. Yes. So can we select the multiple colors? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So there will be a if. Yeah. Then you put here if the color is more than one, for example, then you're going to use the color in. Yeah. Not the color, but the color in the color list. Yeah. Okay. But we keep it for later. Yeah. There is another section when we do the programming. Yeah, so we can here return, yeah, we can use if, yeah, and then else, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we are going to cover that in the more advanced programming syntax later. Okay, 10:45. Any question, guys? So I think so far so good. Yeah, let's see what is the next topic. derived table. Okay, let's do one more time. One more thing. This one is I keep it for the tomorrow. Yeah. Derived table. Okay, so what is a derived table? Derived table is basically a subquery. Yeah, and then after that we have the parent and a child query. So derived table is we have the query. So the parent query or the main query is having the table. Okay, and then after that we take this derived table from this output of the query. Okay, so here this is the parent table. This one, yeah. And then from this parent table, I want to get only the category and then the count. How many product in this category? Yeah. This is this one. Okay. Now let's look at here. This one I run first. Yeah. This one in the bracket. Yeah, I run first. Okay, then I have this product ID 771 772 mountain bikes. So what I would like to say, what I would like to see is this mountain bikes, how many product? Okay, because this road bikes, how many product? This touring bikes, how many product? Yeah, okay, which is this category and then count. So this category and count will be taking from here the category and then count is how many row, yeah, per category. Okay, let's run. Okay, this is the output. Yeah, pip shot 3, bike racks 1, bike stands 1. Okay, is that correct? Yeah. Okay, let's look at the if we run this one and then order by category. Okay, yeah, then you see, remember, yeah, bip shot 3, pipe racks 1, 311 332. Yeah, 311 332. Okay, yeah, 3 1 1 3 3 2. Yeah, so that's correct. Yeah, so this counting how many product, yeah, in this category, how many product in this category, 311. Yeah, then 3 3 2. That's the derived table. Can we select multiple okay, just now was the previous question. Yeah, okay. Yep. Okay, everyone, time is 10:50. So the recording itself is 44. Yeah, so it will stop in about less than 1 minute. I would like to check if you have any questions. So to summarize what we have learned today, yeah, we have learned today about the subquery, yeah, subquery that replacing the scalar subquery with the multiple value, and then we learn also about cross apply, and we learn just now about the view, and then a table value function, a variable, and the last is the derived table. Okay, so hopefully this is useful for you, and later I will upload the video in my YouTube channel. Yeah, and guys, if you have not subscribed, yeah, then help me to subscribe. Let me see the my subscriber. Yeah, I'm expecting to have 1,000. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, then you please subscribe. And if you watch the video, you find that useful, and you like it, yeah, so I can start expanding my YouTube channel. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah, everyone, happy weekend too. Yeah, tomorrow the same time. So tomorrow, what the topics I think more interesting, yeah, about starting about the programming. Okay, common table expressions, yeah. Then after that, the grouping, pivot table, yeah. And then also insert, update. Okay, so we finished with the select, then we're going to continue with the insert and also update the data manipulation. Okay, thank you very much. See you again tomorrow. Have a good Saturday.